Surfing's amazing for everyone, and I think people with disabilities can sometimes find it difficult to access exercise outdoors and that kind of connection with nature. So, hey, I'm Ben Clifford. I'm the founder, director, and I'm coach at Syrffability. Syrffability is an adapted surfing school, so a surfing school for anyone with any kind of additional needs.
You know, they've got the adaptive boards and everything today, so they can get in and they can actually have, you know, a proper go at surfing, being in the great outdoors and just getting that fresh air and sea air and just enjoying the experience with their friends.
Not something that a lot of the guys would have had a chance to do, or at least do very often, so it's great to be able to give them the introduction to surfing, and you know, maybe they'll love it and become surfers one day.
If you want to find out more about our ILS courses or the type of activities we've been doing today, please contact the college or our recruitment team. Come along to an open day and find out more.